continues to blur the line between lifestyle sneakers and golf shoes, transforming iconic models for the fairway. Their push began most notably with the Air Jordan 1, highlighted by Travis Scott's neutral olive in 2023, and now extends across entire product families. Among them, the Air Max line has become increasingly dominant, with the Air Max Plus proving it can transition smoothly into performance use. The latest release, the Nike Air Max Plus Golf Metallic Silver, takes on a sleek look with a black, white, and silver palette accented by yellow details and a bold orange swoosh. While rooted in golf-ready tooling, the shoe retains its fashionable edge, showing Nike's strategy of expanding sneaker culture into new spaces. As a general release priced at $195, the pair will quietly appear on Nike.com, rewarding fans who are quick to secure this stylish blend of sport and lifestyle.